Nice. We back. All right, let's take a look at US500, what it's telling us. So we got the full analysis breakdown, and it's telling us our support, resistance, and our critical. And right now we are in a bearish structure with lower highs and lower lows patterns, and the 4 hour confirms bearish. So anything other than that would be a counter trend trade. So let's see what we got for US500. And today we're gonna be trading let's see, we're gonna be trading for the prop firms for the NAS. That's why it looks different, because we're doing the prop firm for this one, and this one is actually a prop firm as well. So these two is for the prop firms, which is the SP500 and the NASDAQ. So let's see what they got for the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, we got a clear bearish on the daily structure with lower highs and lower lows patterns after breaking below 24,212. Then we got a 4 hour confirms bearish with the multiple lower highs and lower lows, and the 1 hour shows bearish as well. So anything other than that is a counter trend trade. So we're not looking for longs. So let's go back to the NAS 100, which is this one. It's a micro, meaning if we was to trade that, one ticker is only 0.5 cents. All right, so let's see. For that one, we gotta wait for it to get, we want it to go bearish. We really don't want it to go above this line because it's clearly going down. So we want it to come back down here for our 30-minute confirmation. All right, let's take a look at the other ones we got. Gold only gave me a 25%, so I didn't even do gold. I'm not even gonna do gold. I don't trust, when it's this low, I don't trust it. Even though it gives us a what if scenario, but I don't pay it no attention. I'm gonna stick to my guns. And let's go to Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin gave us a 60% confidence. It says it's sideways range, but I still did that one anyways. So let's see what that one gave us. Bitcoin gave us, so got Bitcoin right here on 30-minute, but look at that, it's chopped. It don't look like it's don't do much today. So I'm gonna get this out the way. Look at that, all chopped right in the box. Breaks above that, we're going long. Breaks below that, we're going short. But right now, it's chopping. Did I do US30? I did US30. US30 looking like it's about to break. It's definitely gonna break. One of these two gonna go. But let's look at US30 though. US30, what was it? Bearish on the daily. And the 4 hour confirms downtrend. So we're looking for shorts on this one. We're looking for a short on this one. So we laughing looking to go right here. We're looking for this short on that one. NAS, I didn't do this one for because the NASDAQ is this one. It's a micro. For prop firms, they do the micros. And this is the regular NASDAQ. I'm not doing that one today. Because we're gonna do prop firm trading. We're gonna do live trading with the US30 and the Bitcoin. So that's what we're doing today, guys. And the market opens in 9 minutes. So I'll be back in 9 minutes and see where we at. Probably 9:45. No, actually I'll be back at 8:45. And look like we're gonna focus on US30 because US30 is trying to break. Look at these wicks. That's what I'll be talking about. This is why we want confirmations. We want strong candles. Look at that. 13% that's these candles is. This is what I mean. We want strong candles. But it's looking like it's trying to break through. We won't short though because the trend is short. Anything above this line and we put a trade in, it's a counter trend trade, meaning like some of you know what that means, but it means it's going against what the daily and the 4 hour is. So if the daily and the 4 hour is bearish and you putting in a long trade, which is a buy, it could be detrimental. It could be a huge fake out. So I like to go with the grain. If it's telling me 4 hour bearish and daily bearish, I want it to go, I would prefer it go below this line. Let's check out Bitcoin, see what they doing. Bitcoin got a long way to go. It's in the chop. I don't mess with anything in the chop, as we know. So what else we got? This is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is trying to get right up there. It's trying to. But NASDAQ is bearish too. Uh-oh. What they doing down here? Uh-oh. We got one. We possibly got one. What's the candle strength on that one? That is a 79%, guys. 79%. And it's climbing. But we gotta wait. It's only 8:49, so we need that 9 o'clock. 10 minutes left. If it stays above this line in 10 minutes, we go back to Omni and we let it know. So what was that? That was S&P. Hey, remember guys, we're doing S&P, but this is for the prop firm. It's different. Let's see. So the S&P, we gonna wait. See, it's bearish. It's bearish, but it's going up though. So that could be dangerous. I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know if I want to. So we'll see. We'll see. We will come back at 10 o'clock. Not 10 o'clock. I'm sorry. We'll come back at 9 o'clock. 8 seconds. But look at this close. This says 44% moderate bullish close. I'm not trusting it, guys. I can't do it. I need 70% or above for this to be a strong candle. Some might jump in and be like, that looks strong to me. But no, man. According to the indicator, it is not strong at all. So I'm not messing with it. Let's go to this one. Nope. That's a strong candle. All right, that's a strong candle. I'm gonna go with this one. That got a little bit of wick. That was above it. So we're gonna go to We're gonna go to SP 500 and say close at. Let's see, closed at 64.95. 64.95 S&P 500. Let's do it. 64.95. Alright. At 9 a.m. price closed at 64.95. Let's see if this changes right here. This tier 1 right here. Let's see. Let's see. At 9:30 a.m. 9 a.m. candle close at 64.95. Let's see if this changes. There we go. Tier 1 close. I guess you got to put the whole thing 9 a.m., man. Tier 1 close. Let's see. Solid break. Watch for the 9:30. Now we got to wait for tier 2. We got to wait for tier 2 now. Let's go back. All right. So we got S&P. I see that US 30. No, I can't trust this US 30, y'all. I can't trust. It's too much of a long wick for me. It's too much of a long wick. I can't do it. What else? Nah, look. NASDAQ almost broke it. It broke it, but it barely went over there. I don't trust that. I don't trust that. But let's see if we put it in the candle and see what it say. 23,574. 23,574 for NASDAQ. Sorry, y'all, my bad. Let's see what that closed at again. 23, 5. It barely closed it. Oh, it barely closed it. It closed right on where it's supposed to. No, it didn't close above it. It's right there. So we ain't gonna count that one, y'all. I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't trust it. I don't trust it, so I'm not gonna do it. And look, it's going down heavy too. We're gonna check and see where it's at 9:30. But it's going down heavy. I don't trust it. Let's see what this one though. This might be it. What was this one? S&P. So we're gonna come back at 9:30, and we're gonna see what that one say. Exactly why I didn't trust this candle. Even though it looked strong, it had that long wick right there, and it was telling us it wasn't strong at all down here. Now look, it came all the way down there. That candle was not strong. You got to be careful with these candles. That's why you got to use this indicator, man. An omni lens. It tells you how strong the candle is, how weak the candle is. You got to listen to it. Tier 2, it stayed above this line. It's a close, and we put in our trade. 64.82. Our trade is now on. We got a trade in, guys. It has to come back to this line right here and then go back up. So we got that trade in. Now let's go and see where it closed at. Close at 64.92. 64.92. Let's go back. All right. 9:30 a.m. Price closed at 64.92. Tier 2. Place limit there. We did it, baby. We got one in. See where else we at. Now we got that in. We ain't gonna look at that no more. We don't even care no more. Look at that. On the line. Did not close. It wasn't good. Let's see. Bitcoin is trying. But it don't look like it's gonna get that in the next hour. US30. Nope, I still didn't trust it. This is the one I didn't trust. I didn't trust it. It's too much of a long wick. I'm good on US30. NASDAQ, still got an hour left on NASDAQ. Still got an hour left. Alright, this has to retest. Alright, I'll be back at 9:55. I am down 165 on my prop firm account, and it's about to hit my stop lot, my sell stop. We'll see how it plays out in this next 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right. We still in it. We still in it, guys. We still in it. Let's see what everything else at. Oh, that was a strong candle. For US 30, let's go to US 30 because that closed below. That's exactly what we wanted to close at. For US 30, we wanted to close right here, and that's a strong one. So we're gonna go back. 10 o'clock a.m. candle closed at. Let's see, what was it, y'all? It closed right there, low key. No, right here actually. See, 45, 527. Tier 1 activated. Watch for 1030. Needs to confirm again for tier 2. Let's see. Now, guys, it came right back up. Look, it almost hit my stop loss. But it didn't. It came right back up, and I'm back in the positive. Never be scared of these drawdowns. Never be afraid of these drawdowns. Just wanted to show y'all that. For my prop firm account. Let's see the prop firm account. So, it'd be my first trade today. I never made no trades yet. So this is my first trade. So we'll see how it go. We will see how it go. All right, there you go. Candle has closed. The candle has closed. None of these hit. Nope. None of those hit. So I will log these in later on today. And we all good, guys. I don't know what happened to my list though. Oh, I erased them. Tweaking. But alright. That's it. None of those other ones did tier 2s. And the only one that lasted was this one. So only one tier 1 today, guys. But we'll see how that goes. I'll be logged back on around 4 o'clock to see how it go. Peace. We won this trade, guys. We won this trade. We started. Remember when I got in right here? Well, I get in there. It's going to tell me it's that arrow right there. See that? It was an arrow right there. Watch the arrow right there. That's why I got in at. Got in right here. It went all the way down here. Almost stopped me out. Look, almost stopped me out. I was right there from getting stopped out. And that shit went all the way up. I could have kept going. But we got what we needed. And we made what we needed today. But look at NASDAQ, y'all. Remember that wasn't a strong candle? Now let's go back to it. Remember right here, y'all? And I said it wasn't a strong candle. This right here. And I didn't do it. It ended up going up anyway. But that's okay. We don't say we missed the trade. It didn't meet our qualifications. And that's all right. We got this one though. We got this one. And we made it. And that's what we gotta keep doing, guys. That's what we gotta keep doing. So, I'm proud. Y'all went up. So, we got our win, guys. We had one trade in today. And we got it. Let's keep going, guys. See y'all same time tomorrow.